Hello Glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Yes, subscribe. Yes, like this video, send in your nice comment and your questions as well, and also share this video to your family and friends. On here we deliver educational, informative and entertaining content on the concept of makeup and skincare. Therefore, you need to turn on your notification bell so you can get updates on new videos. Hello Glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. Throughout the next few weeks, I'll be doing a detailed review on all the skincare products I've used so far, helping you see how it works for your skin type, just in case you desire to purchase an entire list ranging from face wash, toners, serums, scrubs, body wash and the likes. So let's see what is in today's package, shall we? Welcome to my first unboxing video. This is the very first time that I'm going to unbox a product. Well, I purchased this product because it fits into my brand ethics on natural and effective yet natural beauty ingredients. So it fits into my brand ethics, so I bought this brand called Arami. It's a Yoruba language Arami, meaning my body. So I bought it. It's a Nigerian brand. Yes, Nigerian brand. And I've tested it. Don't worry, this is not the video for reviews. This is just to unbox and show you what is in the package. So I'm going to do an individual review of every product, each of the products. Don't worry about it. So let's see what is in the box. Okay, we have the purity mask. This is the purity mask. This is a clay mask from Arami. I'm just really itching to do the review of this mask, but don't worry, I'm not doing the review today. The next video is going to be a review on each of the products, so just be patient with yourself, okay? We have the Arami toner, which is the Eden's Elixir. This toner, I only use it when I use the mask because I have an oily skin, and this is more like for a dry skin type of skin, but it actually also works for oily skin, just not when you want to put on makeup, just to freshen up your face in the morning and all. We also have this HLR drop. This is a niacinamide and hyaluronic acid serum. It boosts youthfulness and all, helps to rejuvenate your skin and all. We're going to talk about the benefits of all these ingredients when we do the review. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned in today's video, and watch out for the review. Make sure to subscribe and like. Watch out for the review, really, because I'm going to be going into details about this product, if this product can work for you, because we have different skin types, if the product can work for you, and how to purchase it, where to get it, and all of that. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, yes, so you can get updated on new tutorials, new content. You have to turn on your notification bell as well, and make sure to like as well. Send me your nice comments and share this video to your family and friends. Thank you for staying tuned in today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.